around this volcano twice over there.
There's a feeling like the clenching of a fist. There is a hunger in the center of the chest. Oh yes. There is a passage through the darkness and the mist. Oh. And though the body sleeps, the heart will never rest. Oh, let us turn our thoughts today to Martin Luther King and recognize that there are ties between us, all men and women living on the earth, ties of hope and love, of sister and brother.